Hello guys, Alos FX here. We will be analyzing USDT guys. So this is our USDT on a weekly time frame. This is how it looks like. I'm seeing a very beautiful setup guys of USDT. So let's just have a look on how it will or how it might play out. So we're looking at the structure right now, and then it's in a form of like an uptrend. So you can see the market just broke above this previous high. So we could say that this was an impulsive move and then this was the correction. And currently the market is in an impulsive move. As we can all see that. But there's no need for us to concentrate too much on a weekly time frame. We can just know that this trade, this move, all of this move, it's in an impulsive phase of the market. So still even in this impulsive phase of the market, we would still have something like impulsive correction, and then impulsive. So we can still see that the market is still within this impulsive phase of this impulsive phase. So we can just concentrate on the last part of the graph. We don't have to concentrate into everything. So like in this point, okay, we can note this high. This was the weekly high, and then in this move as well, we can just try to note this. Remember, this was our impulsive move, correction, impulsive move. So it will actually take weeks for the market to get into this point right here. It will actually take weeks for the market to get to this point right here and then start going up. So there is no need for us to be analyzing in things that is going to be happening weeks later. So we would actually try to deal with what we want to do now, right now, since we want to take the trade right now. So we'll concentrate from only this high, on from this low right here. So we're going to be only concentrating from that low right here. As you can see, this was has been a bullish structure, but the point where it only make, okay, we can just do it this way: impulsive correction, impulsive correction, impulsive correction. Hope you guys can relate to this. You can be able to see with the actually the market was moving in this manner. You see, so currently the market it's in a correction phase. Impulsive correction, impulsive correction, impulsive correction, impulsive correction, impulsive correction, and impulsive move. This is what you need to understand at the moment, that okay, this the market it's our in our this was our last impulsive move, so we can just have this as your lowest low of the last impulsive phase, and then this being your highest high of the impulsive move. So we can eliminate this unnecessary information. Even this one we can remove it, because we can still consider this as our as our highest time frame. So in a 4 hour time frame, remember this was our last impulsive move to the upside. So by looking at this point right here, I can just make use of this as like this way my equal highs. See, market touched here, came to the way all the way to the downside, and then it came touched, and then it rejected, and then it pushed all the way up. So what I can do with just this information, the last information of this graph, okay, I can either draw it this way and be like, okay, I'm expecting my market to to retest this point and start going up again, or I can do what I can make my life easier and just concentrate on the last structure of this graph, which is going to be this one right here, which is going to be this last one right here, which is this impulsive move right here, this impulsive move right here. So the market gave us this impulsive, and then it gave us another correction, which we're gonna mark it as our low. So which is have this impulsive and this correction, and the market gave us this impulsive. So for every impulsive that the market gives you, there has to be a correction for that. So this is our golden zone. So our golden zone, it's actually between from this point right here. So in this case, we are happy with our golden zone, because it's also at some point whereby we will be retesting the previous high. So I'm very happy with that. And then there is highly chances that the market, when it looks like this, it can actually play out. So going back to 2 hour time frame, we can just say the best way to enter this trade, because usually how what I want to see in the market when it's in a correction phase, I want it to give me a straight continuation pattern that looks like this, of which I usually call it the flex. The market giving the pole and then it gives you a flag and then it's gonna shoot to the upside, which is more like a continuation pattern. But if the market comes in this manner or in this structure, sometimes it does really make it a bit difficult for us to enter this trade. But then which means we're gonna have to try to look for engulfing candles somewhere at our zones. Let's see, somewhere at our zones, we're gonna have to try look for engulfing candles because the structure itself, it's not in a good way. We can't even draw a trend line. You see, that is the only thing that makes it a bit difficult for us to make use or to figure out the best possible way to enter this trade. But this is our buy zone. This is where we are looking for our buying opportunities. So USDT somewhere somehow here it is going to buy. So the best way for me to enter this trade, I'll be actually looking for what, for the engulfing candles right here, somewhere here, right here, maybe 4 hour. I'll be looking for strong push up candles to to the towards my direction where I want to take the buys to. So that is what I would be looking for, unless the market plays out trying to form a certain structure. Unless the market plays out to be forming certain structure right here. But this is our buy limit for inner stack. So we should be looking for buys opportunity there, guys. We shouldn't miss this. It's going to be a very beautiful setup. Let's see. So should be looking for something that looks like this. Okay, so this is our US30. There's no need for us to even go to any lower time frame. There's no need for us to be going to any lower time frame, guys. Okay, so yeah,